Ay, titignan ko kung paano yun. Alam ko na. Punta ako ng Meta Business. Tapos professional dashboard ba yun? Gago pre, solid. Gago pre, solid pre. Gago, makukuha ko na yung pera ko dito sa FB. Kailan kaya? Wala pa nga eh. Oh! Karit!
Magic is my life.
Ito ba yun? Bobo, hindi ito yun. Bobo mo talaga.
Sa PayPal yun, di ba?
Ito!
Sa PayPal?
Hindi, diretso sa bangko ko to pre.
Gago, malaki din yun ah. $48.
Uy, huwag mo naman sabihin, gago ko, lala mo.
Guided by lanterns.
Tanga, hindi ba? Hindi pa yun yung pre. Ito po. May 100 pa pre oh.
Sand rises when I give the word.
Wala po, hindi pa maano yan pre. Ba't di ko pa nakukuha yan?
Baka nasa akin ah. So, yun, pre. Sige, pre.
The immortal one chose me to vanquish the shadows.
Kailan ba ako
that
nag-live?
plague
Last
this
live ko.
world.
Last year ba yun? Hindi na ako nag-live talaga dito guys. Sa TikTok ako nagla-live. Wala na talaga kasing nanonood dito masyado. Kaya di na ako nag-live dito. Never. Never ako nag-live dito.
Only love and light
The
are
enemy is
everlasting.
picking.
Chia đi rồi à. Thêm nhiều chia đó. Cái những mùi mùi bro.
May pambayad na ako sa gym pre. May $48 na ako eh. Meron ng $48 gago. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Joke lang tol.
Value in me?
The starry night.
Your team
You
is
should.
Cannot play na guys. Wait na lang.
Hey, pick up bro. Purple dream.
Exorcist of the dragon spirit here.
Ganda ng kanta gago. Oh, with you, sweet baby.
May you find
So where is the
tranquility
best
in
god in
battle.
Space Cage? I don't know guys. It's up to you. Who do you want god lane in playing here? I don't know any. All of the god laners is equal.
You are fencing a cluster.
Yeah,
Chơi cái lú.
all equal guys.
Super.
Chơi vũ thoáng bốc con cái lú quá. Cái bốc tách bốc lại xíu vô.
Apa ya? Kalau bikin kau apa dia? Memang dia masa teh yang baru you know rosak itu dia.
Chicken trong mấy sợi mà rồi bánh phóc phóc chi cho đi.
Sweet baby.
Apa teh?
Enemy. Ba.
Oh, sweet baby.
Gago Pilipino to pre, spin gitu, pin lah.
Goda.
Pilipino pin good.
Ang ina, ang sakit pa ng daliri ko. Right by your side.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Wait lang guys, focus muna ako.
Smash them.
Game na. Go. Get on. Ilis kita kahit ayoko. Red muna. Bakit na kanina yung na-accent din na pagkasalita ng Tagalog, pre? Ang bakit gagi parang Bisaya?
Hindi parang ano.
Ay, sorry.
Disappoints me.
Hindi, parang yung accent kasi talaga nila gagi pag nagtatagalog.
All that is evil should be sealed away. Wow, the outside world is quite intriguing.
Try ko, gago, sakit, tangina mo. Ano ba jungle na to, pre? Gago, pre, dream.
Wow, I'm touched by your focus.
Wait lang guys, I'm focus muna ako. Kasi ano eh, wala akong kalaban.
I will beat lang. Go. Hey, three.
My lowly opponent.
Three. Oh, go.
Hey, my
Hey,
friend.
man, go.
Go red leg. Go, bro. Okay, go. Win, guys.
I'll hunt you to the end of the earth.
Salib na ako ka. Eh, go. Go.
Nice one. Ay, gago.
First blood.
What's up, pre, gago?
Oo na siya, haircut check. Pangit na nga tol eh. Pangit mo kasi. Dahil sa ito eh. Basta go mid. Fast clear.
Nice one.
Ult is ready.
Oh, you sweet baby. Isa pa nga, ang ganda nung kantan to eh. Nakaka-inlove.
Your demeanor disappoints me. Ult is not ready.
Tara, pre. Pre, look up ni pre. Pre.
Wow, I'm touched by your
What the
focus.
fuck is it?
An enemy
Nice
has
one.
been slain.
Nice one.
Prepare for your judgment.
You're not busy, but you're happy.
Only hungry.
We're ahead in gold. Wow, the outside world is quite intriguing.
Ay, tignan mo nga top tol. Hindi ikaw.
Ult is not ready. You can't catch me.
Ito yata to boy.
You have
Hmm.
slain an enemy.
Nice one boy. Nice by your side.
All that is evil should be sealed
Ito
away.
yata to tol. Legit lang.
Three in the house.
Request backup. Wow, I'm touched by your
Kasi
focus.
sa akin to gagi. Pag umangat to. Wala ka tang sprint eh. Oh, would you?
Makata pa. Three.
Ay, gagi wala siya. Ay, irrital nandyan pre ha.
An ally has slain
Abang
the
ako.
turret.
Hindi kita papatawa din.
Agora.
Kabado ang puto ng sprint agad.
Prepare for your judgment. Slain an
Masal
enemy.
ka boy.
We're ahead in gold.
Don't.
Ay, nagtatawid eh. Kulit mo eh.
We're ahead in gold. I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth.
Kenji, guys, GG. No sprint irrital ah. GG. Wala ako mana pre. Wala ka mana ah. Wala ka mana pre. I'm out.
We're ahead in gold.
Okay.
Request backup. Belly ready.
Sweet baby. Ah, shucks.
Battle cell
No sprint irrital ah guys.
Wow, the outside world is quite intriguing.
Yo, bull TV7. What?
No. Turtle.
Battle spell is ready. Team, destroy the turret. We're ahead in gold.
Thôi để nó ngon đi. Một con gà cuộn là
An enemy has been slain.
Tre năng ấy hiến cho khơi tra của rồi.
Launch attack.
yeah.
Killing spree.
Má con.
Anh bắn kho này đâu.
Double kill.
Yeah. Thôi, không
Buk
đâu.
mo.
Anh đi kho là cái gì sẽ đánh mà đấy.
Di na yata abot to pag pinatorch ko pa yung light ko. Malulobot ako, gago.
Mà thì chơi nó mà sao dương sức khí cũng short tan ấy. Nó được bạch tắt
All that is evil should be sealed away. We're ahead in gold. Thank me, my lowly opponent. I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth. Battle spell is ready.
Tara kaya, pre.
You're the near disappointment.
Galang.
All that is evil sealed away. Team, destroy the turret.
Tara, Lord na tayo, pre. End na to.
Battle spell is the turret.
Nalulobot pala yung phone ko, guys. 1 hour lang yata live ko.
Wow, and just like with evil doers, prepare for your kill.
Try ko. Ano yun? Nakasak na pala sa akin.
Bánh láng chiêm.
Bobo talaga. Nakakatawa ng Zushin, pre.
Những người miền Đông này đang mình uống. Thật thôi nha. Miền chiêm sáng được.
Battle spell is ready.
Bắt mốc trắng pin.
Attack! An ally has understood. You can catch me. Battle spell
Wait lang, akanan to ah. Kaden, kunin ko na to.
We're ahead in gold. Your demeanor disappoints me.
Yeah. We had a once in a lifetime.
I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth.
Once in a lifetime.
Chi bro.
Wow, you destroyed turret. We're ahead in gold. Legendary.
Tapang na tumagano yun nung kasi yun ko alam yung talaga eh. Ay, sorry, nawala. Uy, no-flicker. Kanan. No-flicker Sushin.
All that is evil should be sealed away.
Glug. Gagi, nakatalad pre, healthy.
Enemy wiped out.
Last game, tapos mag-end na ako guys. Di na kaya ng phone ko.
Victory!
Hindi ka na?
One game pa. Magkalag ako pre.